Okay, ladies and gentlemen, after we are done watching the video, then we are now going to draw and color 3 mice. We are going to use very simple lines and shapes to create these mice, but we're going to do it step by step. But everything we draw, we're going to do in threes. Does that make sense? I hope so. I'm going to start with the shape of the head. Shape of the head for our mouse is going to be like an upside down triangle. But I also want you to notice that the tips are rounded, but we have to do 3 of them. They do not have to be exactly the same size. They just have to look similar. Now, for the body, we're going to do an oval. The oval's not going to go all the way down. And again, you can change the oval. You can make them thinner, you can make them thicker, you can make them taller, shorter. It's up to you. So now we got 3 heads and 3 bodies. Now the legs and the feet are going to look like L's, but one of them is going to look like a backwards L. So you're going to do 2 of those on each mouse. But to make the foot, I'm going to go to the end of the L, and I'm going to bring a line back up. Bring the line back up. Bring the line back up. And to make it look even more realistic, we're going to add some little lines to make it look like there's toes. Okay, now we're going to go back up here to where the head meets the body, and I'm going to draw a line that comes away from the body a little bit and comes back in. Those are going to be the arms. And again, those can be different sizes. They don't have to be exactly the same, and just like the feet, I'm going to add 2 little lines to make some fingers. So we got all of the big details down. Now we're going to start adding all the smaller details. For example, ears. Our mice need ears, but we're not just going to do the outside part of the ear. We're going to actually do the inside part of the ear, and that's just a circle, ladies and gentlemen. Just a circle. But I got to do one on each mouse. Again, you can make them bigger or smaller depending on what you want it to look like. Each mouse needs 2 eyes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And at the end of the triangle, a nose. And we can't forget one of the couple more important things like whiskers. 2 or 3 on each mouse. And very important for a mouse, a tail. Just a curvy line that goes away from the body a little bit, like so. So our 3 mice are done, but that's not all we're going to do. If you remember from the video, each mouse dipped themselves in paint, but then at some point they were walking in puddles of paint. So we're going to add some puddles under each mouse. And then, one thing I want you to remember is that when the mice got different colors, through the middle of their body, there was a line where one color was on top, one color was on the bottom. Okay, now that's our basic drawing. For color, it's going to look slightly different. So I'm going to show you one that's already done. This one's a little bit bigger. As you can see with this mouse in the middle, I have yellow at the top and blue at the bottom in the puddle. Yellow and blue makes green, so the bottom of the mouse is green. This one, red at the top, yellow at the bottom, red and yellow make orange. And then this one, blue at the top, red on the bottom, blue plus red makes purple. So while you are coloring, go ahead and pause the video so you can see where each color goes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? All right. I'm going to put that one more time back here, and then we are going to stop there for today. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed this activity. You guys take care, and I will see you again very, very soon. Later.